Greetings, dear viewers. Welcome back to the SANDGLASS channel, where we guide you into the world of modern food processing machinery. Today, our journey will take you to explore remote lands, where vast farms are accompanied by highly advanced farming and food processing procedures. Farms employ meticulous and closed-loop farming procedures, particularly avoiding the use of growth hormones. This journey begins with selecting mature, healthy sows for breeding. Piglets are carefully cared for in clean, safe pens to prevent the ingress of pathogens. When mature, pigs are processed on modern meat-cutting lines, becoming the ingredients for delicious dishes beautifully presented on family dining tables or in upscale restaurants. Look at the AGOL 800 meat slicer, a revolutionary food processor that is taking the pork processing industry by storm. This is the brainchild of AGOL, a leading Polish company. High-precision pork cutting blade ensures each cut is precise and consistent. This semi-automatic cutting food processor is the brainchild of Frontmaytech, a leading Danish company with a passion for innovation. Workers are using cutting machines to cut each piece of pork quickly and efficiently. They designed a pork chopper that makes pork processing easier, faster, and more efficient than ever before. The blades cut the pork with precision, while the deboning arm gently removes the meat from the bones. It not only delivers speed and quick results, but also safety and quality. The precision cutting of some machines in the pork processing food industry is developing rapidly. Efficiency is a key factor. That's why more and more factories are using the Frontmaytech ARA robot to cut pork into halves. This food processing machine works in perfect synchronization, has high precision and fast speed. This machine can split up to 650 carcasses per hour, helps reduce waste, and ensures that every pork product is of the highest quality for consumers. On our next journey, our vehicle will take you to the large beef farms of Canada, where the careful and skillful attention of the farm owners has produced healthy cattle. To bring you the finest steak, it takes the collective effort of many. From dedicated farmers raising cattle to skilled workers in food processing plants, everyone plays an important role. As you enjoy your delicious steak, remember all the hardworking farmers who diligently work to bring it to you. Bananas, a familiar fruit with immense benefits for both health and economy, are widely cultivated in tropical regions, serving as a primary source of income for many households. At AgroFair Farm, harvested bananas undergo a rigorous inspection process. With meticulous care, skilled workers carefully select each banana, ensuring only those meeting the highest quality standards proceed to the next stage. These premium bananas are then meticulously washed, dried, and individually packaged to protect their delicate peels before embarking on their global journey.
So don't be too offended, I have to leave. There's nothing in for me, no. I'm not fitting in. I've packed my things to go. Am I being naive? But it's my choice to make. It's my new rebellious way.
In today's dynamic world, efficiency and precision are of utmost importance. Embracing this spirit of innovation, advanced food processing systems have emerged, transforming the way we sort and package fruits like apples, oranges, and mangoes. These sophisticated machines not only expedite the entire process, saving valuable time and labor, but also meticulously select the freshest and finest produce, ensuring that only the highest quality fruits reach consumers worldwide. This is undoubtedly a significant achievement for humanity in the modern era.
I never use my voice, but I have a choice now. Before
Today, we're embarking on a journey to the Netherlands to witness the revolutionary Berg machinery, a food processing machine that is transforming the world of broccoli. This remarkable machine is a complete broccoli powerhouse, effortlessly handling the emptying, bagging, and sorting of these delicious florets with lightning speed. Berg machinery ensures that only the freshest and finest broccoli florets reach your plate, making it a champion for healthy eating.
Mistakes now, 'cause I don't wanna stay, wanna live my own life, wanna feel passion for something or someone that makes my world turn upside down, wanna give it up for something or someone that's better than this. So don't be too offended, I had to leave, there's nothing.
At the end of today's journey, we will visit the bottled pure water production facility, from the rudimentary stages to the finished product delivered to customers. Prominent among them is the monoblock filling and capping machine line. The filling machine is designed to pour water into bottles precisely and extremely flexibly. In addition to being faster and more uniform than manual filling, this filling machine also has the great advantage of using less operating personnel. The fact that there is less contact with humans also makes the product less likely to be contaminated. Thanks to the flexible application of the CIP formula, which saves the process after each operation, you will not need to program this sequence each time, as some products may take longer to clean. Other products, maximizing efficiency and speed. Therefore, every time you drink bottled pure water, always remember the effort that machines like monoblock have brought to people.